You can look sharp, dress right, but if you smell bad, game over. Here are 7 fixes to smell like success. Number 7, wearing too much cologne. You spray your fragrance like it's air freshener before leaving home, thinking it'll last all day. But instead of smelling powerful, you end up suffocating everyone around you. Overusing perfume doesn't show confidence, it shows insecurity. The truth is, a great scent should whisper, not shout. Spray only on pulse points, wrists, neck, and chest, and never rub them together. Let the scent blend naturally with your skin oils. 1 to 2 sprays are enough. Remember, smelling good is about subtlety, the kind that makes people lean closer, not step back. Number 6, ignoring body sweat. You can wear a $200 fragrance, but if your body smells bad underneath, it ruins everything instantly. Sweat itself isn't the issue, it's the bacteria on your skin mixing with sweat that causes odor. That's why you can't skip showers after workouts or long days. Use an antibacterial body wash, dry your body properly, and apply deodorant right after bathing when your skin is clean. Also, trim underarm hair to reduce trapped sweat. Carry pocket-sized deodorant if you move a lot during the day. When you handle sweat right, your natural scent becomes part of your charm, not your embarrassment. Number 5, neglecting the smell of clothes. Your shirt looks clean but smells slightly off? That's hidden bacteria and trapped sweat fibers at work. You can't smell it, but others can. Re-wearing clothes without washing or airing them is one of the fastest ways to ruin your scent. Wash clothes with scented detergent, and if possible, add a few drops of fabric softener. Dry them completely. Damp clothes create a musty smell even before you step out. For an extra edge, spray a little cologne on your ironed shirt or use a linen mist. Smelling fresh isn't just about your skin. Your clothes tell your story before you even speak. Number 4, skipping oral freshness. You might look clean and confident, but bad breath can destroy your first impression in seconds. It comes from dehydration, coffee, skipped brushing, or leftover food particles between teeth. Brush twice daily, scrape your tongue, and floss. It takes 2 minutes but changes everything. Keep sugar-free gum or mouth spray for long days, and drink water often. A dry mouth creates odor fast. A clean breath signals discipline, hygiene, and confidence. Remember, people might forget what you said, but they'll never forget how you smelled when you said it. Keep watching because the next few tips aren't just about hygiene, they're about identity. The scent people remember when they think of you. Number 3, ignoring hair and beard odor. Your hair traps pollution, smoke, sweat, and oil throughout the day, and it doesn't lie. Even if your outfit's perfect, greasy hair instantly kills your freshness. Wash your hair every 2 to 3 days using a mild shampoo. If you apply wax or gel, rinse it out before sleeping. Dirty residue is the main reason for that weird scalp smell. Beards need attention too. Food particles and sweat can stay trapped in facial hair. Use a beard shampoo and apply a few drops of beard oil with a subtle scent. It'll soften your look, add shine, and create a clean masculine aura that lasts. Number 2, using the wrong fragrance. Many people think smelling good means copying what's trending. But fragrance isn't one size fits all, it's chemistry. What smells divine on one person might turn sharp on you because of skin pH, diet, and body oils. Always test a perfume before buying. Spray once, wait an hour, and notice how it settles. Choose lighter, citrus or aquatic notes for daytime, and deeper woody or spicy ones for evening events. You can even layer scents. Use a neutral deodorant, light body lotion, then cologne to make it last longer. A signature scent isn't about the brand. It's about belonging to you. Number 1, poor hygiene habits. Let's face it, no amount of perfume can hide poor hygiene. Skipping showers, wearing the same socks, or not cleaning behind your ears, these are silent image killers. Real freshness starts with daily cleansing. Shower every morning and again after workouts. Exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin and odor-causing bacteria. Trim body hair if needed, it helps deodorant work better. Even your nails hold odor. Keep them clean. Smell isn't just surface, it's built on routine. If you take care of your base hygiene, every fragrance you wear will perform twice as well. Your 3-step daily plan to smell like success. Step 1, begin your morning with a full shower, gentle exfoliation, and a clean outfit. Apply deodorant while your skin is still fresh. Step 2, pick one fragrance that suits your energy for the day. 2 sprays max. Carry a small version if you'll be out long. Step 3, midday refresh, rinse face, reapply deodorant, and sip water to keep your breath clean. Within days, you'll notice people reacting differently. You'll feel lighter, more confident, and naturally attractive without trying too hard. Smelling good isn't luxury, it's part of self-respect. Because when you smell like success, people treat you like success. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy upgrades to look, feel, and live at your best.